This is Voilave's Face Tightening Cream. It's ultra hydrating, skin firming, wrinkle reducing, and weightless.
The cream ingredients include organic coconut oil, retinol, vitamin C, vitamin E, aloe, honey, lemon, chamomile, organic jojoba oil, and organic argan oil. Wow!
With organic coconut oil, your skin naturally softens and retains moisture. Rich with vitamin C and E, your skin is protected from sunlight, pollution, and cigarette smoke.
Also, the medium-chain triglycerides present in the coconut oil leaves your skin smooth and hydrated, building collagen for lasting results.
And retinol does it all. A form of vitamin A, retinol removes fine lines and brightens your complexion. Retinol is essential in an anti-aging skincare regimen. It's an organic facelift in a bottle.
With soothing chamomile oil, this serum becomes one of the finest and most effective treatments for your skin, with anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe.
Perfect for the face, neck, and chest. Apply in an upward circular motion. Great for chin tightening, double chins, and acne scars.
This is your everyday go-to lotion.